In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, there exists a blueprint that has quietly revolutionized how successful entrepreneurs build their online empires. Today, we explore the phenomenon behind Russell Brunson's .com Secrets, a strategic playbook that has helped over 300,000 entrepreneurs transform their struggling businesses into profit-generating machines. Picture this scenario. You have a brilliant product or service, yet your website visitors arrive, browse briefly, and vanish without purchasing anything. You pour money into advertising campaigns that seem to evaporate without generating meaningful returns. This frustrating cycle plagues countless business owners who possess exceptional offerings but lack the systematic approach to guide potential customers from initial interest to final purchase. .com Secrets addresses this fundamental challenge by introducing the concept of sales funnels as the backbone of successful online businesses. Unlike traditional websites that scatter visitors across multiple pages without clear direction, sales funnels create a deliberate pathway that methodically moves prospects through a carefully orchestrated sequence of steps, ultimately leading them toward a purchasing decision. The genius of this approach lies in its psychological understanding of consumer behavior. Rather than overwhelming potential customers with countless options, effective sales funnels present a singular, compelling narrative that addresses specific pain points while gradually building trust and demonstrating value. This systematic progression transforms casual browsers into engaged prospects and eventually into loyal customers. The book reveals 28 distinct secrets organized into four comprehensive sections. The first section focuses on fundamental sales funnel principles, teaching entrepreneurs how to identify their ideal customers while repelling those who drain resources without providing value. These early secrets emphasize creating intrigue and demonstrating worth before even mentioning price points, a strategy that positions businesses as solutions rather than mere vendors. The second section delves into practical funnel construction within what Brunson terms the value ladder. This concept revolutionizes how businesses structure their offerings, creating multiple entry points that accommodate different customer segments while providing clear pathways for increasing engagement and investment. The value ladder approach enables companies to serve customers at various commitment levels, from free resources to premium coaching programs. Perhaps most intriguingly, the third section provides specific scripts and psychological frameworks that drive customer action. These aren't generic templates, but battle-tested formulations refined through thousands of split tests and real-world applications. The scripts address everything from headline creation that stops prospects mid-scroll to webinar presentations that generate buying frenzies around product launches. The testimonials surrounding this methodology speak volumes about its effectiveness. Entrepreneurs report transforming their financial circumstances from driving for rideshare companies to earning prestigious industry awards. Dental practices describe generating hundreds of pre-qualified leads monthly through survey funnels. Coaching businesses credit their multi-million dollar revenues directly to implementing these systematic approaches. What distinguishes .com Secrets from typical marketing advice is its emphasis on creating genuine value while solving real problems. The strategies don't rely on manipulation or deceptive practices, but instead focus on building authentic relationships with customers by providing solutions that genuinely improve their lives or businesses. The book's impact extends beyond individual success stories to influence entire industries. Marketing agencies now base their service offerings on these funnel principles. Traditional brick-and-mortar businesses discover new revenue streams by applying these digital strategies to their existing operations. The methodology proves versatile enough to work across diverse sectors, from e-commerce and supplements to professional services and education. The underlying philosophy emphasizes understanding customer psychology at each stage of the buying journey. Rather than attempting to convert strangers immediately into high-paying clients, successful funnels nurture relationships through valuable content, social proof, and strategic positioning that naturally leads to purchase decisions. The systematic nature of this approach appeals to analytical minds while remaining accessible to creative entrepreneurs. The frameworks provide structure without stifling innovation, allowing business owners to maintain their unique voice while leveraging proven conversion principles. .com Secrets ultimately represents more than marketing tactics. It embodies a comprehensive business philosophy that prioritizes customer value creation while building sustainable, scalable enterprises. For entrepreneurs seeking to escape the uncertainty of inconsistent revenue streams, this methodology offers a roadmap toward predictable growth and long-term success in the digital economy. The question remains not whether these strategies work, but rather how quickly you can implement them to transform your own business trajectory.